We are here today with Hana and we are going to demonstrate Gua Sha. It's something that you could do at home or you can come to the office and have it done. If you're at home, you can use essentially anything in your kitchen like olive oil or a spoon. When you come to the office, we have specific tools that we use when we're performing Gua Sha. It's really great for that type of pain that you have done everything for, but it's still tight in the muscle layer and it's achy and it's sore. So what Gua Sha basically does is it releases inflammation from deep within the muscle layer. It brings it to the surface of the skin. So when you're slowly gliding the Gua Sha tool on top of the skin, it will slowly start to redden or lightly turn pink, indicating that the inflammation is leaving the muscle layer. So let's go ahead and get started. So what you want to do first is you want to make sure that you apply enough oil to the area. So we're going to apply oil because you want to glide on top of the skin. You don't want to tear the skin. Oh, you're tight, girly. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate. You can use a silver spoon at home. So on the spoon, if you were to put a light coat of olive oil on the area of pain, you want to use the edge of the spoon. Gua Sha tools, I have two here. They look like this. This is a jade, and this one is a resin. Okay, so whenever you use Gua Sha tools, you will always want to use like the sides. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate with a spoon if you're at home. So what you do is you want to start at the top and you want to scrape down. Just start a nice downward scraping motion. As you can see, she's already turning red. And so it's really a nice, effective, simple treatment to help get rid of inflammation that's deep in the muscle layer. And then you just keep going over the area. Just got a little spasm right here. Let me know if I'm going, and you don't need to go in that hard. Light, gentle strokes. I'm gonna go the other side. And sometimes it could come up a really dark purple. So, okay, so that's how you would use it with a spoon. You'd use it on this end. Now I'm going to demonstrate with the Gua Sha tool. We'll start with the resin. I'm going to go up in here. I'm going to keep on scraping. So start up, glide all the way down. And what's interesting, what I like about Gua Sha, it's basically a body diagnostic tool, letting you know where you have inflammation trapped inside your muscles. That just hurts. We're gonna have to do an acupuncture treatment on her soon. She needs some chi moved. Get up in here. Okay. So now that it's nicely red, you can see this nice pink right here, through here. This is where she had inflammation in the muscle layer. So we released it. So what happens after this is this area is open. You can't really do any other Chinese medicine techniques on this, like you can't cup. You can do acupuncture, but you want to wait until this red goes away. You also want to keep the area covered from drafts, and you really want to towel off when you get out of the shower, the spa, the ocean, or the swimming pool. So once again, Gua Sha is a great tool to use if you have inflammation trapped deep in the muscles. And how do you know if you have that? If you're walking around and you're in constant pain and you're stiff and nothing is quite getting to it. So thank you, Hana, for allowing us to do Gua Sha on you today. And we look forward to seeing you in our next video. We'll be going over cupping.